will find me. Somehow. Diana? How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
You sound very strange.
I lost him.
Who?
I met Carl in a forest last night, but suddenly something came from nowhere. It made me blind for about 2 minutes. I asked Carl if he's still with me, but he didn't answer me at all. Suddenly, he disappeared. I tried to find...
Run towards that forest now!
Why?
No time to explain. Jerry, just run right now!
Okay. Yes,
Jerry, are you there?
of course.
Okay, now run towards Clarendon Park. Carl had to go to a very different place. But you find him somehow. Now you need to turn right. Clarendon Park used to be Carl's favourite park. But this park changed him. Somehow. Go straight to the park.
Jerry, it's me, Carl. I am really sorry. I didn't want to hurt you. You are my close friend. I always wanted to protect you, and my sister Diana, but I couldn't. I failed. I don't know if I will be able to come back to you, but I hope you will keep strong. I will always protect you. You're my close friend. I miss you so much. Goodbye, Carl.
Jerry? Don't be afraid. You're not alone. Carl will always watch you and keep you happy. Goodbye.